This is an amazing quality for the price, especially. I bought it for my plants. It's nice and sturdy. You can hear it moving because I have the crystals there, but otherwise it's fairly sturdy. And it serves its purpose. If any of my plants leak any water, I can wipe them up. It's metal and not a real marble, but some sort of marble-like top that's very easy to clean. It's not cardboard or anything like that. And I'm just overall really impressed that I paid so very little for something that was so nice. It's exactly what I need.
So as you can see, we have a door there, and it fits right behind our couch. Just a nice little table so we can sit on the couch.
It doesn't fit.